Hello, I'm Dr. Elizabeth New. I'm Reader in Medieval History at Aberystwyth University. My recent research project, Imprint, funded by the Arts and Humanities Research Council, was looking at forensic science and medieval history combined. We were looking at the impressions of seals, seal matrices like this, pushed into wax that was attached to documents. And in the process, people's handprints were often put on the back of the wax. And we were looking at who these people were, what the documents were, what was on the seals, but also trying to match up hand and fingerprints so that we could get a much better picture of exactly what was going on and who was involved. Because sometimes the people who owned and used these seals were not kings or knights, they were ordinary men and women, and this is really getting very close to touching the past. The project, as you can imagine, generated a lot of interest generally, but also with the partners we work with in the heritage sector, especially archivists and conservators, because it helped them find new ways of looking at and looking after their collections and making their collections accessible to people through exhibitions and open days. Our forensics colleagues were very keen to be involved as well, because they were able to use very new equipment in different ways. We broke their kits very early on, but they're actually happy because it helped them improve the hardware and software for this machinery that's used in crime scenes at the moment. They were also pleased to get new evidence for identity science. The hand and fingerprints are from a population 800 years ago, so nobody going to be on their forensic database, and this helps them improve the way they can manually and automatically analyse finger and hand prints. I even got to speak at a forensic science conference, which is something that as a medievalist I never thought I'd do.